Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another beautiful teak wood jhula design. Jhula, jhopala, swing, hammock, these are known by different names. And the kind of work we do that I've shown you in the past more than 550 videos. Another example of the fine artwork that you see here. Indoor swings is one of the items that gives a different look to your place if it's placed in a proper position or proper pattern. Like you are using it in a living room or using it in a place where you have a little more space than regular, then something like this looks very, very nice. Because the entire unit that you see, that you're looking at here, requires space when you put something like this. This is an 8 by 8 feet, 8 feet like this and 8 feet high. The front to back area is 42 inches. So it's a big unit, and when you have nice space, something like this looks really good to be placed. The seat size is 5 feet outer. This is a two-seater unit, and in fact a 2.5 seater, but a two-seater is good enough. With the bolsters, you get good space to sit on. The pillar, as I mentioned, is 42 inches, 3.5 feet. So if you talk about the space that you require to place it on the ground, is 8 feet like this, and 3.5 feet for the pillar, and another couple of feet on front and back for the movement. So it can go like this. So around 5 to 6 feet of space you require to place this unit for free movement. Nice brass chain with animal figures, one of our heaviest looking and most beautiful brass chains that you see here. And it has got animal figures like horse, elephant, and a brass figure of peacock, and similarly peacock shaped hooks, and a 3-neck link in the middle. For the chains, I've explained in detail in an earlier video. There you can see everything about the brass chain, the variety we have, the colors we have, and if you want something from there, we can put it in the unit as per your choice. About the unit itself, it's a very heavy looking as well as heavy unit in itself. The weight is also quite good. It has got big 6 inches pillar on both sides, 2 pillars, front and back, and very fine carving everywhere. From the top to the bottom, everywhere it's finely carved. On the top you see elephant design. It's the head of the elephant with the trunk up. And if you don't want the animal figures, you don't like any animal figures, this can be replaced to some flower or some other design that can be done. Now, if you look from the side, the complete carving from the top to the bottom and a complete teak wood unit, everything that you see in this unit is teak wood, and it's the light walnut shade that the client required, that the client loved, in high gloss. This one is going to Salem, Tamil Nadu, and we deliver everywhere across India. So any part of India you want something to be delivered like this, we can deliver to your home because we have the home delivery service, and we are also delivering outside India to most of the countries. We have already delivered, we can do it for you if you like something like this. I've shown several designs of jhula earlier to you. The comfort, the artwork that you see here is unparalleled, and you can compare it to any person who is making jhula across the globe. You'll find our work better quality on a better level than what they are making. The kind of designs we have, I'm sure about this, that you will not find any supplier across the globe who has so many designs for jhula, these kind of units, carved units, in actual stuff. Actual, I mean in photos and videos that are real. I can show you hundreds of photos on the internet that are taken from different websites that are maybe the catalog images, software generated images. But this is an actual unit. I can touch it, I can sit on it, I can move it, I can show you from every angle you want. Another interesting part about this unit is this is same from both the sides. So the look you are getting from this side, exact same look you have from that side. So if you are placing in middle of the room and you want to change the seat to the other side, simply remove the hooks and turn it to the other side. Or alternatively, you can go for a reverse back seat also. I've shown that in the earlier video. So if you want, the back part of the seat can be removed, picked from here, moved this side, and it works the other way. So double-sided, same design, and with the removable or reversible seat, it can work from any side you want. If you're putting it towards the wall, definitely a single side seat is good enough. But in the middle of the room, you can go for a reversible seat. That's a nice concept as well. All over the looks, the work, and the kind of quality we produce, you can check anywhere, you can check any supplier, and you'll get to know what we are making. If you are going online and you are looking for something like this and you are talking to any supplier, you can ask them for some real pictures or real videos where they can prove that this stuff is made by them. Then you can decide what they are making, what we are making, and you can compare that easily. Only pictures do not allow you to compare it, because picture I can pick from anywhere, from outside India or any other supply in India. I can show you. This video gives you a complete look. The color of the fabric, the color of the unit. If you want something else, you want lighter color, you want darker color, or even if you want the paints, we have recently made one that went to UK in antique gold color. If you are looking for something like that, a grand structure, a beautiful royal structure, something like this can be considered. We are making royal furniture, premium category furniture, and these are not cheap units. In fact, we do not make any cheap furniture. Cheap furniture these days are mostly made in MDF or veneers or plywoods, and that is mostly available everywhere in local showrooms with local carpenters. This requires lot of time to make. One single unit requires around 1.5 months to complete, and that's again a lot of time and a lot of work in one single unit. We are in handwork, hand art. This is artwork. This is not done by any machine. Everything is done by small tools like chisels and small hammer kind of structures, and then cutting and this polishing, quilting. Everything requires a lot of handwork, and we have artisans who are working on these units for years and years. I hope you like this, the artwork, the art of arson, and something that is so beautiful, as grand as well. If you have some comments, your suggestions, your feedbacks, we'll be happy to hear from you. You can put in some comments, and a single like to the artisan, to his art, and to the kind of work we are doing would be highly appreciated. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.